Let's make a leaf knot. Happa musubi. Leaf knot. Happa. Leaves. This one is the 45 centimeter Mizuhiki cord. Do with one cord this time. Make an abalone knot, awabi knot. If you haven't watched the awabi knot 1 and 2, do that one first, please. This is awabi knot. The first one, I make it smaller. This is the first teardrop shape. Hold both sides of the top of the teardrop, pull in apart to make the teardrop smaller, then put a cord to make it smaller. Do it again. And now upside down. It's hard to see, but this one, that one, this one goes on top of this way. So do the same. This one first. You see? So here, that one first, and this side. On top of that one. So this one goes first, and that one goes on top of the other one. And put this side of the cord, put into here, put into here, then take it out from the one you just made, like that. So sorry for the left-handed ones, but we use right hand fingers all the time. So this one, turn it over and do the same. Here you can see the hole. So put this one in here. So here, and take it back through the one you just made. So this is the top bit, and do the same thing. This one goes, and that one comes on top of the other one. Put it into the hole here from the front, and take it back from the loop you just made, and turn it over. Do the same thing. put it into this hole from the front and take it back from the loop you just made. Maybe I can do one more. So this one goes that way, that one goes, no, the other way. This one goes this way, that one goes that way. Same as the here. The cord from the left to the right goes on top of the right to the left. Goes that way and that way. So it goes this one first and the other one comes on top. And put it into the hole and take it back from the one you just made. And turn it over. Like that. So this is the leaf knot. If you wanna have a sharp leaf, just make it fold in half. Leaf. You have a plum knot, which is explained in other ones. You can just flower in the leaf. You can make brooches or earrings, whatever. Leaf knot.